Right, we're about to do a cold start on VY, is it?
Yeah, boy.
Yep, VY. Ecotech. See she goes. Oh, yeah. Oh.
Alright guys, first drive in the VY in a very long time. Let's see how it goes. Oh, oh, bloody freaking beautiful. So cute. Alright guys, gonna get some new tyres for the burnout car. Got our water bottle for when the VY catches fire. That's gonna save the whole car, we're drowning it. There's a surf. Oh my god. Bro. Holy shit, it's coming near me.
She was on there.
She was on there. Oh. Oops. Should be right. Bro, he's crazy.
That's a nasty thing, eh?
Oh yeah, that's fucked.
Ripped it off the rim.
I'm a bit fucked dusty.
That was the good one. Big old fade.
Me in it.
Mr. Trent, say something funny.
We built.
Yay!